Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're living simply in Sicily.
Yes.
Today we're going to go visit the property that we showed you in the last video. And what it is a penthouse apartment.
We saw it from the outside.
So we're going to show you the inside today. So this particular house that we're going to look at today, we're interested in, but we asked to see it and they said, no, wait until the open house. Okay. I mean, you really just don't have, like, you can't just do whatever you want. You have to go along with how they work here, and you have to be flexible. Grazie. Prego, prego, signora. You can see the sea.
Yeah.
But hey,
Pretty decent view.
yeah, very nice.
You know, I mean, a lot of rooftops, but a lot of ocean too.
Yep. And it is quieter.
It's way quieter back here.
Yeah. So this is where we this is where we were standing in the video down there.
Yep.
And it has the porch wraps all the way around.
I'm not sure.
Does that go all the way around?
Well, it stops right there. It backs up to that building.
Jeff and his dogs.
Allora, quella catastallmente è una lavanderia. In realtà chiamare lavanderia non si può, perché si innesca. È una stanza. Però catastallmente mi piace.
So this would be the kitchen.
Yeah, decent sized
Yeah,
kitchen.
I think it's pretty good. Pretty good size.
Good AC.
Yep. And I like how you can go right from the kitchen to dining outside.
Right.
That's very nice.
Yep.
No air, oh, okay, here's air conditioning unit up here. I mean, the view even from the back is nice and quiet. Pretty good.
Yeah, the problem is getting in the place.
Yeah,
All those stairs.
yeah, it was quite a
This is a
little office.
little office room
Yeah,
of sorts.
yeah, you could put a small bed in here if you had to, but
Yeah.
mostly we would use it as a office space or art,
Yeah.
music,
Something like that.
things that we would do. Wow, this is a really, really big room.
Yeah, this is huge.
Okay, so this is, I was wondering what this was, but it's a type of, it's almost like Venetian plaster,
Yeah.
so it's not bad.
It looks decent.
Yeah. So your bedroom, you have a pretty wide, oh, you have air conditioner in the bedroom.
Yeah.
Pretty wide windows with a nice view from your bedroom.
Yeah, and they're all double glazed aluminum framed, so
Oh.
they're decent.
Yeah,
Security shutters on all of them.
okay, nice. Yeah, this is a pretty big room.
Yeah. All the tile looks good too. Right?
Yeah, the tile does look good. There's the bathroom. It's really big too.
Yeah, they have a little
Hello.
plumbing issue here.
Ah,
They
okay.
tapped out of that and ran it over to the sink.
Yeah.
They're coming into here, so they tapped out of that.
I see. I mean, you have space here. Could you put like a washing machine in here and then use that other room for?
Yeah,
A
you
bedroom?
could, you could tap onto the water and the drain right here with a little creative plumbing.
Yeah. Okay, and this is the first room that we went in. So 2 bedrooms, 1 bath.
This one doesn't have AC. So
Okay.
This is the smaller of the two. This would be second guest bedroom or whatever,
Yeah.
but there's not AC.
So, 2 big sized bedrooms. The master is really good. The living room area.
Yeah, this
okay.
is the living room there.
This is the living room space.
And there's no AC in the area.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this would be your living room when you enter, with a big balcony. The balcony wraps all the way around.
I'm trying to figure out what this galvanized pipe is for. It's run all around the house. I don't know if it's for, if it was put in. It's obviously an afterthought.
This up here?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's galvanized, so it's usually that means it's gas.
Mm.
Well, I want to see where the connection is.
Okay.
Ale, io ho detto che in caso rimaniamo che ci disegniamo le linee di macchina se è possibile.
I don't know what they get going here. That's definitely gas, that line.
That galvanized line?
There's no drain here,
There's no drain.
though. That's probably put in for heat,
The galvanized pipe? Ah, okay.
so you can put heat in each row.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's tied into that right there.
I like it.
So you can't hook up a washing machine in here. Washer.
Okay. Yeah, I like the noise level back here. This is more what is good for me. There are quite a few houses behind you, beside you, but it's so different when you're above. Did you say something's weird about the plumbing?
That plumbing,
What about it?
it goes down, all the way down. I don't know if it goes down to the garage, if it supplies the garage.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
up and then up 3 flights of stairs.
That's the problem.
Okay.
I don't know if I can get it in there. To be honest with you.
Ah, okay.
I probably can, but it's probably gonna be a trick. It's not that wide, though.
Ah,
Excellent.
turn around. Can the juke fit in there?
Well, not with all that junk. Oh, man.
Somebody.
This is just the stage of finding a property that we're interested in purchasing.
Yes.
If it takes this much trouble just to, and this is not the first time we've done this.
Yes.
We've done this several times. If it takes this much trouble just to get to view the property,
I can only imagine.
exactly. We can only imagine what it would be like for the legal aspect. We know the buyer pays the real estate commission. That's how it works in Sicily. We understand that much. We know that we have to get the appropriate search done.
Notario,
Right.
where they search the property, make sure there's no liens on the property, and that everything's done according to Italian law.
Right. There could be taxes owed and liens, and a lot of these properties are tied up in family estates that they have many people they can't agree on. It gets complicated.
Molto complicato.
Yes.
Really, yeah. So, we have to weigh all of this out in our consideration of buying a property here. Jeffrey,
Yes, dear.
so what is your opinion about the property?
Well, there's a few issues with it, but there's a lot of positive as well. It's kind of a hike to get up in there through that first apartment building, and this one is connected in the rear, and it's all the way, it's a penthouse, so it's all the way to the top floor there, so that's quite a long walk up a lot of stairs. However, the stairs were very nice, marble stairs, and easy to navigate. The apartment itself was actually in pretty fair shape. There was an AC unit in the kitchen and one in the master bedroom. So the second bedroom and the living room area, that it has a designated living room area, would actually, it need AC units put in. There was some plumbing issues, it looked like, but that's, typical of something that's been lived in and people have moved out the kitchen and various appliances. So it was all doable. Has a nice patio, a nice wraparound access. It did need some sprucing up here and there, but it looked pretty solid. It didn't look like there were any roof leaks, water leaks in the roof. There were no water stains in the ceiling and so forth. Once we get up in the back on that back patio, you couldn't hear any traffic at all. It was just, other than an occasional dog bark here and there, which is typical, it was actually quite nice up in the back.
Yes.
So the garage was extra, as we found out. So the garage was still full of their stuff, which needed to be cleaned out, which it would be when the sale was made, according to the agent. Particularly thrilled with the fact that the only way to access the garage is all the way out to the street and then down the driveway into the garage. You can't access it from inside the building, which means it's not the end of the world, but what it means is when you go grocery shopping or something, you have to, get in off the road because there's no parking right in front of the building on that side of the street. And then you got to haul everything up the driveway, in the door, and, up the 3 flights and all the way to the back. So it's pretty good hike, for us to be carrying bags of groceries and 6 packs of water and that type of thing or whatever. But it's one of the better ones we've seen.
Yes.
And the layout was much better. And there's a lot of possibilities. You have to put a little bit of money into it. It had all double glazed aluminum framed windows, which are very nice as far as, economy goes for heating and cooling and so forth. It needed screens put over the windows and so forth. That's not a big ticket item. A couple of AC units and some paint here and there, and a kitchen and some furniture, and you'd be in business. So
Pros and cons.
Yeah, there's always pros and cons. One of the other cons is getting in and out of that village. That those roads in that particular area, as we saw today, we went a different way today going in there than we did the other day when we made our initial visit to that area. The roads are kind of rough, kind of in bad shape, and a lot of one-way narrow streets, and seemed to be a little bit of traffic confusion, congestion, and so forth.
Yeah, because today was Saturday, so it was much.
Right. Everybody was home, or out and about in their villages. So, day off from work and so forth. You're right. That's probably contributed to the traffic. But it was a little bit of a pain in the neck to get out to like a main road, a main
Right.
state road, or the autostrada there or whatever. That was kind of a. It wouldn't be a turn off for us. We could navigate that okay. We don't work every day, so that's not really that big a huge issue, but it's a possibility. So we'll see.
We have a lot of people that watch our videos, but they're not subscribed. So if that's you,
Please
can you
do.
please hit that button?
Yes.
That really makes a big difference to us.
It helps.
It really does. And we do appreciate all the support and comments that we get from our regular friends that follow us and subscribe. And become a member of Living Simply in Sicily. Ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.